All right, guys, volumes of pyramids and cones, 11.5, happy day. All right, volume of a pyramid is going to be the area of your base, so big B, times your height, divided by 3. The volume of a pyramid is always 1/3 the volume of a prism. Prism, not prison. All right, so hopefully I have shown you or will show you a visual example of that. And I might need to use Bodhi's Rubik's Cube for that. Okay, Bodhi, so if you're listening, I might need to borrow your Rubik's Cube. Okay, example here. Here is our square pyramid. Square pyramid, meaning all the sides of my base are the same. So I'm going to go ahead and find my big B, the area of my base first, and that's going to be 1,253.16. I'm going to take the area of my base, big B, and multiply it by my height, which they gave me was 21.64. And then I get to divide it by 3. So I multiply, and I get 27,118.39. And I'm going to divide that by 3. And my final volume is 9,039.46 meters cubed. Remember that I'm really looking for your specific units this chapter. So that is example number 1. Just a straightforward volume question. This next one, per usual, gets a little bit trickier. So find the volume of the pyramid. All right, here we go. They gave us our base, and they gave us the slant height here. But we need our actual vertical height. And what you will notice is that right here where your height goes, it lands in the middle of your figure. And right here, your slant height along with your height, and this line, the parallel line from your base, creates a right triangle. So you're going to be using the Pythagorean theorem. And your height, you're going to drop right in the middle, so you're going to know that you're going to take half of my whole base here, so half of 40, and get 20. So this would represent our height. If we were to kind of cut this image out and paste it over here, it would be x, and then 20 and 25. And again, a right triangle, so we're going to use Pythagorean theorem. Right, so x squared plus 20 squared equals 25 squared. Let's start squaring. 20 squared is 400, 25 squared is 625. When I subtract 400 from 625, I get 225. So now I know my height is 15. Yay! Excuse me, this cold is kicking my booty. Excuse me. And now I need to find big B, or the area of my base. So I'm going to do 40 times 40, and that'll give me 1,600. So my height times my base divided by 3, because that is the formula for volume. I mean the height times the area of my base. So 1,600 times 15 is 24,000. I divide it by 3, and I get 8,000 feet cubed. Okie doke. So notice we still have lots of right triangles going on. Let's talk about now the area or the volume of a cone. So again, it's the same as volume of a prism, but a cone, its big base times your height divided by 3. Its big base is the big difference here. Its big base, because it's a cone, right? So it's shaped a little differently, is a circle at the bottom. So the area for our big base is going to be pi times the radius squared. That's the area for a circle. So it says, what is the volume of this oblique cone? And then leave your answer in the terms of pi. So it's an oblique cone because it doesn't come straight down. It kind of goes off to the side. There's no shame in an oblique cone. You just need to make sure that you know the height and you can find the area of the base. So divided by 3. All right, so the area of our base, well, going all the way across right here is 16. So half of 16, which would be our radius, is 8. So for the area of my base, I'm going to take pi times 8 squared and then multiply it by my height. Well, 8 squared is 64, so the area of my base is 64 pi times my height, and then divide by 3. When I do those, 64 times 15 divided by 3, I get 320. Pi, this is leaving it in terms of pi with the pi letter symbol right next to it. And that's it for your notes tonight, guys. See you tomorrow. Have a good one.